Crispy, golden fried food is a culinary delight, but the traditional deep frying method comes loaded with guilt, the excessive oil, the greasy mess, and the not-so-friendly health implications. The air fryer is a kitchen hero that promises restaurant-quality fried textures minus the downsides. In this video, we'll dive deep into the top 6 best contenders, ready to transform your meal times. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing. So let's get started. Number 6. Instant Vortex Slim 6-Quart Air Fryer. Living in a compact apartment doesn't mean you have to sacrifice delicious air-fried meals. The Instant Vortex Slim 6-Quart Air Fryer is a lifesaver for space-conscious kitchens. This cleverly designed air fryer offers all the functionality of its larger sibling, the Instant Vortex Plus, in a slimmer, more countertop-friendly package. The Vortex Slim boasts a 6-quart capacity, making it perfect for whipping up family meals or prepping individual portions. It offers 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, giving you the freedom to explore a variety of culinary techniques. Just like its bigger brother, the Vortex Slim features a convenient clear cook window, allowing you to monitor your food's progress without opening the fryer and interrupting the cooking process. While the slim design is a space saver, it does come with a slight sacrifice in basket size compared to the regular Vortex Plus. This might be a consideration for those who frequently cook large batches of food. Additionally, some reviewers mentioned that the Vortex Slim can run a tad louder than other air fryers on the market. Overall, the Instant Vortex Slim 6-Quart Air Fryer is a great option for urban dwellers or those with limited counter space. It offers excellent functionality, a clear view of your cooking progress, and the ability to prepare a variety of delicious meals in a space-saving design. Number 5. Ultenic K10 Smart Air Fryer. Embrace the future of cooking with the Ultenic K10 Smart Air Fryer. This app-controlled air fryer lets you unlock a world of culinary possibilities from the palm of your hand. The Ultenic app features a vast library of recipes, cooking guides, and even allows you to remotely monitor your food's progress. Imagine starting your air fryer from work so dinner is ready when you walk in the door. Or impress your guests with perfectly cooked gourmet dishes guided by step-by-step instructions on your phone. The Ultenic K10 takes convenience and exploration to a whole new level. Beyond its smart features, the Ultenic K10 boasts a sleek design and a generous 4.2-quart capacity. The digital display is clear and intuitive, with pre-programmed settings for common foods. The removable cooking components are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, the Ultenic K10 relies heavily on its app for functionality. While the app is well-designed and user-friendly, those who prefer a more traditional, hands-on approach to cooking might find it a bit cumbersome. Additionally, some reviewers mentioned that the app can be a bit slow to connect at times. Despite these limitations, the Ultenic K10 Smart Air Fryer is a revolutionary option for tech-savvy home cooks who crave convenience, recipe inspiration, and remote control over their culinary creations. Number 4. Ninja Double Oven Air Fryer. The Ninja Double Oven Air Fryer isn't your average air fryer. This innovative kitchen appliance combines the functionality of an air fryer with the versatility of a toaster oven. This means you can air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate all in one convenient unit. The Ninja Double Oven features 2 independent cooking zones, allowing you to prepare different dishes simultaneously. Imagine perfectly roasted vegetables on one level, while crispy chicken wings sizzle on the other. Dinner is served. This functionality is a game-changer for busy families or those who love to experiment with a variety of dishes at once. The Ninja Double Oven boasts a generous capacity, making it suitable for both individual portions and family meals. It also features a digital display with pre-programmed settings for a variety of foods, ensuring effortless cooking for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. However, the Ninja Double Oven size does come with a trade-off. It has a larger footprint than traditional air fryers, so counter space might be a concern for some kitchens. Additionally, some reviewers mentioned that the pre-programmed settings can run a bit short on cook time, requiring slight adjustments for optimal results. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Ninja Double Oven Air Fryer remains a compelling option for those who crave the versatility of a multifunctional appliance. The ability to air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, all in a spacious double oven format, makes it a powerhouse in the kitchen. Number 3. Dreo Chefmaker Air Fryer. For the discerning home cook who demands both style and substance, the Dreo Chefmaker air fryer is a dream come true. This sophisticated air fryer boasts a sleek stainless steel design that will elevate the look of any kitchen countertop. But its beauty is more than skin deep. The Dreo Chefmaker offers a generous 8-quart capacity, making it perfect for feeding a crowd. Whether you're whipping up a family feast or entertaining guests, the Chefmaker has you covered. It also boasts a wider temperature range than most air fryers, allowing you to explore a variety of cooking techniques from gentle dehydrating to high searing. The Chefmaker's digital display is clear and easy to navigate, with pre-programmed settings for common foods. However, some reviewers wished for a more comprehensive recipe booklet to unlock the full potential of this air fryer's capabilities. While it might be on the pricier side, the Dreo Chefmaker air fryer is a top-of-the-line option for those who value aesthetics, spacious capacity, and a wider range of cooking possibilities. Number 2. Cosori Pro LE 5-quart air fryer. The Cosori Pro LE might not have the bells and whistles of the Instant Vortex Plus, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to value. This sleek 5-quart air fryer offers all the essential functions you need to air fry, roast, bake, and reheat with ease. The Cosori Pro LE boasts intuitive digital controls with pre-programmed settings for common foods like fries, chicken, and vegetables. These settings take the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring perfectly cooked results even for air fryer novices. Plus, the non-stick basket ensures effortless food release and minimizes cleanup. While the Cosori Pro LE doesn't have a window for monitoring your food, its digital display does a great job of keeping you informed. It displays the remaining cook time and temperature, allowing you to adjust settings on the fly if needed. Some reviewers mentioned that the Cosori Pro LE can run a tad hot at times. However, a little experimentation with cook times can easily remedy this. Overall, the Cosori Pro LE offers exceptional value for the price, making it a great choice for budget-conscious air fryer enthusiasts. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus isn't just an air fryer, it's a kitchen chameleon. This 6-quart powerhouse boasts a whopping 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and reheat. Think perfectly crisp veggies, juicy rotisserie chicken, and restaurant-worthy reheated pizza, all at your fingertips. The Vortex Plus shines with its innovative clear cook window. Forget about the guesswork of traditional air fryers. This window lets you peek inside and monitor your food's progress in real time, ensuring golden perfection every time. And cleaning up after your culinary adventures is a breeze. Both the removable cooking tray and crisper basket are dishwasher safe, saving you precious time and elbow grease. Now the Instant Vortex Plus might not be the quietest air fryer on the block. Some reviewers mentioned a noticeable hum during operation. However, this minor drawback is easily overshadowed by its versatility, user-friendly controls, and the ability to whip up a variety of delicious meals with minimal effort. If you're looking for an air fryer that does it all, with a clear view of your cooking progress, the Instant Vortex Plus is a worthy contender for the top spot in your kitchen. There you have it, our top 6 picks for the best air fryers of 2024. We hope this video has helped you navigate the exciting world of air fryers. Now get out there and start creating healthy, delicious meals with ease. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting us know which air fryer has piqued your interest. Happy air frying!